in the foot. Come here to me. Bee. Oh man, that's heavy. Wheel. Well, it's a start, so it's Monday morning. It's been a while since we've been together. I apologize for that, but in my defense, I worked a 14-hour shift last Friday and a 12-hour shift Saturday. I got some metal right there. On the other side. No, I don't want the tiki torch. This. Oh, no, just PVC. Wait a minute, what's this? Now, what's this? That might be, okay. Yeah, it's a shred load, so I don't want that lawnmower coming out on me. All right, that'll work. And then last week, I think that's a microwave, folks. Last week, Wednesday, oh, some golf clubs. All right, yeah, that's okay. Yeah, it's a baby microwave. We'll take a microwave. Oh, man. And then, oh, let's see. Yeah, last Wednesday and Thursday, holy smokes. Hotter than the Dickens outside. And so I didn't go do anything. I stayed home, slept. And now I got another weird one coming up. Now next week I have 3 days off. But I gotta work 3 12-hour shifts to get it, so and there's more in there I'm gonna go get. And yeah, come on. I want that plate down there. Get this out of there. Wow. A fan of some kind. A couple of golf clubs. So yeah, I didn't do anything, folks. I apologize for not being with you, but yeah, I'm not farting around with that. Oh, it's a leaf blower. You stay behind. Oh, I don't see anything else. Wait a minute. Otter. Oh, stink. There's some pots and pans down there too. Pots and pans. Look at that. Yep, I'll take that. Yeah, we'll shove this over there. Look at that, one stop. Well, the lawnmower was over there. This was over here. Yeah, I'm not letting this go. Dang it, come on. Look at that. Oh, I guess you're coming with too, aren't you? All right, well. Some brassies right there. I bet. Come on. Yeah, this is not the kind of stuff I like to pick up. This stuff here, but wow. What a nice load. But it stinks. Oh, does it stink? It's all right. I don't mind the stink. Not when it pays like that. Let's get that forward a little bit. Maybe this forward too. There we go. Sorry about the camera hit. Oh, there's a nice load. Lawnmower, leaf blower, some pots, a lid. There's another lid in there, but it's buried. A microwave and looks like a smoker of some kind. Or a cooker of some kind. All right. Wow. I'm out of breath already. See if we can find some more. Wow. A gentleman walking by just told me this lady was putting some stuff out. Nothing come out. Stay put. Thank you very much. Got a size of that barrel hoop. Very nice. Yeah, I'll take it. Wow. Just a little one. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to go. Careful there. To the scrapyard soon. Because I'm running out of room. Yeah, come on. That other one's gonna be big. I hope this isn't. Yeah, it's not thick and solid. So we can, there we go. Let's get it started. That's the ticket. There we go. I'll just leave it like that. Good enough. Might that be a piece of aluminum? Indeed. Look at that. That's aluminum, to be sure. Okay, I'm out of room. How about up here? All right. Had a little bit more left to check. Saw something right there. Might be more than a little something. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, man. Gee whiz. Talk about your... Wow. Okay, enough goofing around, fatty. Oh, Jesus God. Folks, this is heavy. Heavy, 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 heavy. Wow, that's all steel. Holy smokes. Had some old-timey stuff right there. Wow. And I'm on an uneven clip of street right here. This kind of all just goes downhill. That almost looks like copper. It might be, but I'm telling you right now. Wow. Now the oddball thing is, yeah, that's copper. Look at this. Wow. The oddball thing is, I drove by this, coming from that way, going this way, and down the road, and then where I found that chunk of aluminum pipe, and I didn't even see this. So I blew right by it. And then I saw it going the other way. I'm like, I gotta stop. Because I wasn't even sure if it was metal. But it is. Thank God I stopped.